Nothing much, I'm just here to practice my reading skills with you. So, can you give me a passage so I can continue my reading?
Of course. Here's a short passage for you to read. The seasons in San Francisco asterisk. San Francisco has a unique climate, often described as mild and temperate. The city experiences four distinct seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. In spring, the cherry blossoms bloom, filling the parks with color. Summer is cool and foggy, especially near the coast. Fall brings beautiful golden leaves and a pleasant chill in the air. Finally, winter is often rainy, but the temperatures rarely drop too low. Each season has its charm, making San Francisco a beautiful place to live year round. Once you've read it, what did you find most interesting about the seasons?
Okay, I'm going to start. San Francisco as a unique climate, often described as mild and temperate. The city experiences four distinct seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. In spring, the cherry blossoms bloom, filling the parks with color. Summer is cool and foggy, especially near the coast. Fall brings beautiful golden leaves and a pleasant chill in the air. Finally, winter is often rainy, but the temperatures rarely drop too low. Each season has its charm, making San Francisco a beautiful place to live year round.
Great job reading the passage. It seems like you made a little typo when you said, the cherry blue jumps, instead of, the cherry blossoms bloom. But overall, you're doing well. What do you think makes each season special in San Francisco?
First, I like to recorrect it. Cherry blossoms bloom. Here mentioned the four seasons, which each one has a specific importance that is really wonderful, and we get opportunity to enjoy all kind of seasons. Sometimes like spring, rainy, winter, summer.
That sounds wonderful. It's great that you appreciate the importance of each season and find joy in them. However, when you say, get good opportunity, it might be clearer to say, have the chance to enjoy all kinds of seasons. What specific activities do you enjoy during each season?
Like summer, in the evening time especially, you can see the lots of the gathering of the child. That's very pleased to the eyes, and also you can enjoy the outdoor activities. And in the winter, next month winter is coming, refreshment. And also the most important thing is we get good sleep in the winter. And also we get chance to see the fog in the morning. And if you talk about the rainy season, nowadays rainy season is going on, that is so relaxing, enjoyable, and connecting to the nature.
You're painting a nice picture of summer with the gatherings and outdoor activities. Just a little correction. Instead of goat slave, it seems like you might mean hot chocolate or something similar during winter. I love the idea of cozy winter treats. What are some other traditions or activities you look forward to in the winter?
Yes, in the winter we get good sleep, no disturbance in the night. So that is really good for all of us. Like in the summer, we don't enjoy such thing, and also our sleeping interrupts so many time in the because of the hotness. But next month is winter is coming.
That's a lovely way to describe winter. It sounds like you really value the peaceful sleep during those colder months. Just a small tweak. Instead of, next month is winter is coming, you can say, next month, winter is coming, or, winter is approaching next month. How do you prepare for the winter season? Any special routines or activities?
Yes, I have really a special routine for this. I really love to get up in the winter seasons to enjoy the coldness on that time where air is very fresh, and that feels and enter your lungs, and you feel your refreshment in your whole body. And also some exercises which is not possible in the summer. I could not able to stick with the routine, and but in the winter it is very easy for me to do. So I'm really happy for this.
That sounds invigorating. I love how you embrace the fresh air and focus on exercising in winter. Just a small correction. Instead of, I could not able to stick with the routine, it's clearer to say, I am not able to stick with the routine, or, I can't stick with the routine. What types of exercises do you enjoy doing during winter?
Two very simple exercises which I can easily accomplish. And but I like breathing exercise very much, and also I like to do stretching. You can also do skipping, running, walking. These are very simple and easy to do. That's why I give importance to this.
Those exercises sound fantastic. Breathing exercises and stretching are great for relaxation and flexibility. Just a quick note, instead of saying, accompli, you could say, accomplish, and you might say, that's why I give importance to them, instead of, this. Do you have a favorite spot or place where you like to do these exercises?
I like to do on the rope if there is a no severe cold, so on that time I avoid. I do in the room or in the balcony. It's depend on the conditions of the weather. If that is not enjoyable and that is not going to good for my health, so on that time I restrict to myself. I just see and enjoy. I don't do an exercise.
That sounds like a smart approach. It's important to listen to your body and adjust based on the weather. Just a small correction. Instead of, that is not going to good for my health, you can say, that is not good for my health. What do you enjoy doing when you decide not to exercise and just relax?
I just like to watch and feel the surroundings, or simply I love to walk small steps. That is also very soothing because easily you can see here and there whole surrounding.